Yes sir, is it better now? Just give me a second, let me just cross check. Let me just fix from my end also. Traders, please confirm if I am audible now. Still, in case if you are facing any difficulties, just let me know. Okay, now let me just cross check. No voice, just give me a second sir. Just a second, let me just cross check with my device also. Okay. Okay, so traders, is it better now? Like I have cross checked with my device, everything is fixed. Perfect. Okay. So traders, before I'll start taking some trades or I'll start talking about any of your doubts. We just need to confirm one specific direction in which we are going to take all of our trades. So you tell me, you want me to take all trades in up direction or down? We will be confirming the direction in the beginning, and throughout the session I will be taking only those signals and I will be taking trades in the same direction. So if you want me to take trades in the up direction, either you can give me a thumbs up or you can write in the comment section. If you want me to take trades in the downward direction, you can drop a smiley or you can drop a heart or you can type down. Whichever direction you will be suggesting, we will be taking a trade, because in today's challenge what we are going to work on, we will be working on a specific mindset. Like sometimes traders are stating that, sir, I was taking trade only in one direction, or is it possible to make profit if I am taking trades only in one direction? So we will try to test that mindset. Of course, I will be using a strategy also to confirm those signals, and whosoever will be the luckiest one will be getting a $5 risk free trade. Okay, so we got first confirmation from Rishabh. Rishabh mentioned that we should take trade in up. Traders, if anybody else want to participate, like he want to contribute in the confirmation of this direction, he can also write. Okay, and okay, I can see that so many traders, they have started adding their okay, so they have already started adding their signals also, so feel free to add there. But before adding that, let's confirm that which direction we are supposed to take trade. Okay, so 2 votes for up. So far we haven't received any vote for down, so we will wait hardly for 5-7 seconds, and then we will be confirming that direction. Okay, the setup, the strategy which I am going to use today, again, if you have any specific preference, traders, you can write me in the comment section. So far I have applied Jack-Tar. Let's use this one. Let me add a stochastic along with that. Okay, so I have added stochastic with that. How we are going to use this strategy? So this strategy is something similar to the price action. Price action means whenever the market is stuck in the support level or resistance level, either the market can breach and continue, or the market can bounce back. Two conditions. In this one, the support resistance, the authentic one, of course we will be following that also. Along with that, these SMAs, simple moving averages, let me show you that from where you can apply. Just go to the technical analysis, just type Jack-Tar, and it's a expert level strategy that can be used for FT, which means fixed time, FX, which means forex. Okay, now how the strategy works? So as I have give the reference of support and resistance, so these SMAs are also going to react in the same manner. What I am trying to say, now for an example, market is coming from upward to downward. Now this SMA, 100 SMA is there. Now if the market will breach this one, market can continue like the support level is breached. If the market will bounce back, then we will be taking a trade in the upward. At the same time, if the market is coming from the downward to upward direction, if the market breach will be there, we will continue in the same direction. If bounce back, then we will be taking a trade in the down. That's it. It's a very easy strategy. Along with that, I have used a stochastic just to make sure that whenever there is going to be a overbought zone breach or oversold zone breach, so that we will not be taking any trades which can move into the negative direction because of like volatility or because of price reverse. Okay. Still, in case if anything is missing, you haven't understood, nothing to worry, stay connected. I will be explaining this strategy multiple times during this conversation, so you will be able to understand it. Okay, I will be also taking some trades, and so far you can apply this strategy manually also with the frequency of simple moving average 50, 100 and 200. If you want to make it a bit more easy to understand, you can either remove 50 or 100. Let's remove 50 today. We will be using only two SMS, 100 and 200, and along with the stochastic of 1433. Okay, suggested time frame for this strategy is minimum 30 seconds to 1 minute. I'll suggest go for 1 minute, and the trade time frame can be from 2 to 5 candle, or sometime we can take a trade for 6 candles also. By that I mean to say, if the chart time frame is 1 minute, I can take a trade up to 6 minutes also. We will start with the 2 candles. Let's see if everything is going streamline. We will increase the capital, or we will increase the time. Otherwise, if any amendments are required, of course I will be taking. Okay, so majority of votes we have got for up trade, so we will be taking all trades in the up direction. Traders, make sure whenever you are making any entries, make sure you put it for up only. Let's pick the first signal, that is for Asia Composite 2 minute up. Okay, just a moment. Okay, let's see, let's take first trade, and then we will try to talk about a few more important points. Okay, so let's see if Asia is showing so far on 1 minute no signal. Let's have a quick look on 30 second also. Nothing. Or if we rely on this stochastic, then we can think about it, but that is also showing something dicey. But let's have our first trade for $15 in the up direction on Asia Composite. Okay, so I can see so many comments are there. Let me come to the comment part also, but one important point. See traders, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. Considering that thing, do not start investing, or do not make any investment without learning. Spend some time, invest some time, and then start talking. Start making your investment. First thing. Second thing, all the trades which I will be taking during this session, all the results, I will be the one who will be responsible for my own trades, for my own results. Everything is going to be depending on my skill set, on my strategy, whichever I am using. Third thing, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute, so there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds, like 30 seconds or 1 minute. So there is a possibility that if you will try to do some copy trading, that can lead to some negative results, because you will be opening a trade with a delay, and there is a possibility that the trade which I will be taking, that might lead to a negative result, because these are some mathematical calculation based technical tools. So 100% accuracy is not promised at all. Okay, so please consider these things. Now let's move back to the trading. Let's see how the Asia Composite is looking so far. Okay, we are quite close, but it's not looking that good. No worries, in case if that will end up with a negative trade, we will try to recover it. Okay, we are very close, but let's see, not sure. Okay, so at the very last moment we managed to book a profit. Let's take a few more trades. So CHF JPY OTC, CHF JPY OTC. Traders, that doesn't matter that which strategy you are using and on which asset. These are generalized, so you can use on any technical, like any technical can be used on any asset. Doesn't matter whether you are using it on composite, currency pair, OTC, commodity, doesn't matter at all. Okay, now we will try to keep the things a bit more simple and smoother. Uh, now I believe that the market will continue in the downward direction and a bounce back we can expect, but from this level. So market is quite away from this part, 6.52. Let's do one thing, 52, save and take a trade in up. So once the market will hit this one, trade will be executed in the upward direction. Okay, so let me highlight this one also. And Euro USD 5-minute up. Let's have a quick look on Euro USD also. Euro USD. Okay, so to take a trade for 5 minutes we need to analyze a chart at least for 2 minutes. Okay, so market is quite away from this level, no nearby support or resistance level, and I will pass this one for now. Crypto composite, let's have a look on crypto composite index or AUD CAD OTC, latest one. Let's pick this one, AUD CAD OTC, and this trade is also no traders, again I am repeating myself, I will be considering only those signals where I will be getting a confirmation for up trade. We are not going to consider any trade in the downward direction because today we are trading on a bear and bull mode, so we can take trade only in one direction and that is already decided. So we will be taking all the trades in the upward direction. Euro USD OTC, this is something we can consider. Euro USD just a second. We have the basic one. Okay, so in this one again we need to take a trade for 2 minutes in the up direction. Standard confirmations are quite far. This one is stating market can move in the downward direction. Let's see if this level will be breached in the upward, we will take a trade. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let me highlight this one also. Okay, so we have executed 2 trades. Let's see how these 2 trades will end up. Okay, this one is still in the pipeline and this one is not looking that good. No worries, we will keep on shuffling our cards, we will keep on moving to different assets. Let me take a few comments and then I will be coming back to the trades trade part. Okay, so sound nahi aa raha hai. I believe sir everything is fixed. I deposited 20,000 through UPI and after profit of 10,000 when I tried to withdraw it, it shows a limit of 20,000 only. Now how to withdraw my 10,000 profit? Okay, Mayurji, you can do one thing, like see, the more frequently whichever method you are using, that will keep on accumulating your what we call the limit of your withdrawal. So the more deposits you will be making, that will keep on getting accumulated. So far as you mentioned that you have made a deposit only of 20,000 and you made a profit of 10,000. First of everything, many congratulations for that. Second thing, make a withdrawal of 20,000. Once that will be processed, then you can initiate your next withdrawal and you will be able to withdraw your profit also. It's not like that you will not be able to withdraw that one. Of course you can withdraw that one, just make 2 transactions. First transaction, once that will be completed, you can go for the next one. Okay, Shahji, namaskar. Okay, voice, thank you so much for the confirmation. Okay, so Mayur, I hope I have cleared your doubts. Still, in case if you have any doubt, just ask me again. I am repeating again. So if you currently your limit is 20,000, for an example, in future if you are making 50,000, 1 lakh or any amount, that doesn't mean that if that a specific limit is not helping you to withdraw the complete capital in a single shot, then you will not be able to withdraw it. Of course, that is your money, you will be able to withdraw it. Just make one transaction. Once that will be completed, you can initiate the second one. That is just for the safety of the account. For an example, if somebody will find my account open and he will try to make a withdrawal from that, first issue they will be facing, that they haven't made a deposit in my account from that specific account in which they are trying to make a withdrawal. Now for an example, if somebody will think that okay, let's make a deposit of $10 and let's make a withdrawal of 1000, then they will be facing a difficulty that okay, system will be telling them, sir, with this method in this specific duration you have made a deposit of only $10, so you will be able to withdraw 10 only. But if that is my account, of course I must have used it earlier also, so that will keep on compiling up and that can reach to the maximum level. So you will be able to do that. I am facing a edge problem. No, Knox, can you just explain it, like what exactly you are facing, struggling with? If market comes down at 7300, it will be a bounce back according to Fibonacci golden ratio. Sir, you can use that also, that is completely fine. Fibonacci levels are something like, if you are not that good with the support and resistance, Fibonacci levels you can use that also, because with one drawing tool you will be able to draw multiple levels. And all you just need to do one thing, that when you are going to use Fibonacci or when you are going to draw that one, just pick the bottom and the top, rest all the levels will be adjusted accordingly. Okay, so let me take a few more comments. Please teach us how to withdraw the money. Sir, just go to the payment section, click on the withdrawal, put your account details, make sure your account details should be correct, and then click on the withdrawal. That's it. First you need to just select the specific wallet. I'm so stressed out about this, Benjamin. That is quite easy. You will be able to make it a withdraw very easily. Just click on payments, click on withdraw, select the payment method, put your bank details or your wallet details, and then go for it. That's it. Okay, let's have a quick look. Okay, so this trade was negative and I think we should cancel this one because that is not getting executed. No worries. Let's try to take a few more trades. Okay, so let me pick the nearest one. Europe Composite Index, 1 minute up. Europe Composite. Traders, if you haven't understood the strategy, feel free to ask me for that also. I will be explaining that. Okay, so Europe Composite signal was there, but it is quite old. I think we should change the strategy because it is taking a bit of time. Let me apply the another one, which is a bit more aggressive, so we will be able to grab up a few more. Okay, so I will be using Friday strategy. Let me explain that also. So all you just going to pick EMA with the frequency of 5, 13 and 55. Whenever the lowest frequency is going to intersect the higher one, that could be the direction of the market. That's it, very easy. So in short, like when the 5 will be intersecting 13 or 5 will be intersecting 55 or 13 will be intersecting 55. So we will be checking the direction of lower frequency. If 5 is moving downward, market can move down. If 5 is moving upward, market can move up. That's it. And just for the additional precaution, I have used a stochastic also. Okay, let's keep on shuffling. Mahajantram index up. Let's pick, let's say if we have any signal on Mahajantram according to Friday strategy. Okay, so stochastic is indicating market can move upward. Let's have a quick trade on that one. Mahajantram. Okay, and Europe Composite 1 minute up. Let's have a look on Europe Composite, and suggested time frame for this one, chart time frame is 1 minute, trade time frame is going to be 2 to 3 candle. Europe Composites on 1 minute we are not getting any signals, but let's have a look on 30 seconds. On 30 seconds there was a signal, but quite old. Now we need to wait for any intersections or any level breach. Currently market got stuck with this level and bouncing back, so no signals for up trade so far. At the same time, stochastic is also trying to breach the overbought zone, so we can expect some reversals. Let's have a look on Munch index. we might slow down the speed because we made some negative results, so we should try to hold capital. Okay, this could be a nice one. Let's try a trade for 1 minute. If we would have entered the market at the beginning of this candle, that could be a better situation, but let's try to grab the moment. Okay, so Moonch index, let me highlight that also. And what else we have? Bitcoin. Okay, traders, if you have any doubt regarding the strategy, feel free to write me in the comment section. I'm sure you have mentioned for the Bitcoin OTC, because on normal Bitcoin these profitability is very less, so I'll not be preferring to take a trade on that. Okay, this level is we can expect a moment for the up. No, stochastic is stating that market can switch to the upward direction, but we just recently got a confirmation from the EMA that market can move downward. So two different scenarios, two different conditions, so we will try to avoid it. Let's have a look on 30 second. Okay, 30 second is also indicating something similar. Okay, no worries, no worries. We will NZD USD OTC. Okay, let's have a look on that one. NZD USD OTC, 93% profitability is there. Okay, a very nice signal is there, and here we go. Now let me tell you why I have executed this trade, because on the basis of this resistance level. This level was already breached. If we would have entered the market a bit earlier, of course a better situation could be there, but let's try to grab it. Okay, so Mahajantram was a positive, but Moonch was a negative. Let's have a quick look on that. What exactly happened? Okay, so market moved in the upward direction and then there was a bounce back. Okay, no worries, no worries. If we would have started the trade in the beginning, that was a clear win. And traders, this is something which you should also try to grab a hold on, or you should also try to learn or understand. Fresher the signal, better the results we can expect. But if the signal is quite old and you are trading on a very aggressive time frame like 30 second, 1 minute, then even a single second or 5 second or 10 second gap, that can create a huge difference. So this is something which you should also work on. Okay, so let me highlight this one also. Okay, Dogecoin OTC, let me see. Dogecoin OTC. On 30 second, nothing so far, and let's have a quick look on 1 minute also. On 1 minute also, we can expect a signal, but when the market will be close to this level. If this level will be breached, market can continue, or else market will bounce back. 9140. Let's set up a pending order. That will be for 2 minutes in up direction. Let's see if this trade will get executed, and I will highlight this one. Okay, so traders, I can see that I am not receiving much entries, so please speed up. Let me take a few more comments. Okay, so okay, so where the last we have left. Mayurji, I hope I have cleared out your doubt, but still if anything is pending, just let me know. Okay, please सर मेरा पैसा फंसा था, उन्होंने UTR दिया है, चेक कैसे करूँ? ऋषभ जी, like if any of your withdrawal is stuck and you have received the UTR, just connect with the bank and they will be able to track it down. In case if they need some additional information or anything, just ask them for the confirmation that they are not able to track with this much information. You can get a written confirmation, or you can ask them via email also. Anything would work. 90% they should be able to track it down, but still in case if not, just connect with the support, they will be guiding you. Sir, I had an amount of 2800 in my account with around 1500 real funds and rest bonus. Okay, which was increasing with my trade, but when I completed my bonus task, got deducted automatically. Okay, so Himanshu ji, how I and gave back us 451. I want to know why they gave bonus fund if that was that wanted to deduct it later. Himanshu ji, let me clear that how exactly it works. Now, for an example, if you made a deposit of $100 and along with that you got a bonus of $60. Initially, like in our previous bonus system, you were not able to use it until and unless your real capital is zero. But now you can use them simultaneously. For an example, for just for a quick calculation, for like if the ratio of your total capital is like 60-40, okay, 60% is total real funds, 40% is bonus. Now if you will be taking a trade of $100, if the trade will go positive, so you will be getting a bonus in the same form. If the trade will go negative, you will be facing the deduction in the same also. At the same time, when you will be completing your task, so whatever the bonus you have received in the beginning of that task, for an example, as per our calculation, 100% is $100 is a real fund and $40 or $60 is bonus. That is the initial bonus which you have received. Now once you will complete that task, the complete bonus will be removed, and that initial bonus which you received, that will convert to the real funds and you will be able to withdraw it. In the previous bonus system, you were not able to withdraw the bonus, you were only able to withdraw the profit made from that. But in this one, you will be able to withdraw. So that is why that specific amount got removed, and you got a specific amount as a real funds which you can withdraw. Okay, Ibrahim, what exactly difficulty you are facing? And traders, let me be clear on one thing. I am from a VIP department. The major hold I have, that is on trading. For deposit withdrawal verification concerns, either you can write directly to support team, support@olymptrade.com, or to payments-sub@olymptrade.com. They will be the one, those who will be able to help you properly. Okay. Okay, Hushaji is saying I am using EMA 20 WMA1 RSI marker, very nice, detrended, and I have made this strategy chart time frame 1 minute and trade time frame 1 to 2 minutes, sometime 45 seconds. Hushaji, see, if that is making profit for you, I am glad to see that. But if you are using so many technicals, sometimes that will get complicated, like either I should trust this one or I should rely on that one. What exactly we need to focus? So try to, sir. Okay, Tamil boy, try gold 2 minute down. Tamil boy, please add your details or add your signals in the comments in the Google form. The reason is I will be taking all the entries from there, and then you will be you can be a lucky one to win a RFT. And second thing, we will be taking all trades in up direction, so I will not be taking any signals in downward. Fraser, sir, level stuck हुआ है advance पे क्यों? Fraser, let me tell you one thing. So on last 27th we have made an update on the platform. So as per that, now whatever is your level on the platform, that will remain throughout. By that I mean to say, Trader Way is not available anymore. So initially you were taking trades, you were moving ahead on Traders Way, and you were improving your status. But now Traders Way is not available anymore, so you will remain on advance. Earlier you were supposed to hold that specific level if you were not trading, and sometime after 30 days you were getting downgraded, but now you will not, it will not happen. Sooner or later we will be making some more updates also, of course, so you can follow those to improve your level on the platform. Okay, I'm just starting to learning the trend with the demo. Jogot Singh, glad to see. First of everything, very warm welcome to the platform. Spend some time, learn about it, try to grab a hold on that. On demo account, the mindset will be a different one, because there is no fear of losing money, and then there is no excitement of making profit. But try to use it wisely so that you will be able to develop your trading psychology, and I am sure that will help you to stay long. Okay, freeze, I made a withdrawal on 6/5. Freza, please connect with the support team. They will be the best one. Sir, now I have left only 1900 after getting bonus, while it was 28 before completing the task. I thought I will get 2800 real plus bonus. I am so sorry, sir, but this is not the way how exactly it works. Whatever is the initial bonus, that will be converted to the real funds. Now let me give you one more information. For an example, while completing the task, you manage to achieve 90%, 95, 99%, and your complete capital is 0. And you know that if you will be making a deposit of 700 and you will be able to cover that one, you will be able to complete that task. Once you will complete that task, you will still get that bonus back in the form of real funds. So this is how it works. Okay. Try indicator, super trend and Keltner channel, sir. Northwood, I'll try to use that. This month INR withdrawal is very slow. Fraser, there is nothing like that. Like whenever you are raising any withdrawal, standard time frame is 24 hours to 5 working days. If anything is taking time, just take a relevant department will work on that. And sir, I traded a lot positive trades, but my status was moving nowhere from 0. Himanshu, as I have already mentioned, so currently trader way is not available anymore, so you will be remain on the same. Sooner or later we will you will be able to see a few more updates on the platform, and you can follow them to improve your level on the platform. Okay, brother, Olymptrade real or fake? Ibrahim, it's been almost 14 years that we are in the market, so if everything is streamlined, if everything is genuine, then that is the reason that I believe like we are still available in the market. Okay, so everything is genuine, nothing to worry. And traders, let me explain it again. So on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages, whichever you are comfortable with. Make sure you join as per that, so you will be able to learn about it. Jogot, make sure you add the asset name, not your name, buddy. Your trader ID is enough. Okay, so crypto composite 1 minute up. Let's have a look on that. Crypto composite 1 minute up. Currently nothing so far for 1 minute chart, and let's have a look on. Okay, so on 30-second we can expect a movement in the upward direction. Let's see if the market will move in our favor. Let's have a look on the last trade. Okay, so Dogecoin was a positive, but NZD USD was a negative. I think 1 minute is not working good so far, but let's see. Let's try this one trade. And okay, so first confirmation we got from here, second confirmation we will be getting from the stochastic. 2 confirmation, more chances for the winning trade. Very easy. Okay, let me highlight this also. Okay, so next one is for compound index. Okay, compound is already available. 85% profitability, and the time duration is mentioned for 5 minutes, so we need to analyze it for at least 2 minutes. Now for compound, let's have a look on any support resistance level nearby. Nothing is there, so on compound we cannot expect any further movement for upward. Market is already there in the overbought zone from a very long time, so sooner or later we can expect a price reversal, but I am not sure about the up. Traders, I am still waiting for more and more signals. Let's see. Okay, so Europe composite index. Let's see this one. Okay, so on Europe composite, either trade for 1 minute or 30-second is stating market can move downward. 1 minute is also indicating the same thing. Okay, so crypto was a positive, very nice, but CHF JPY OTC, CHF JPY OTC. Let's see. On 1 minute, nothing so far. Okay, we can think about taking a trade for 2 candles. Let me take the trade first. Okay, let me tell you the reason. This level, market move down, stuck, up, again stuck, and this is the 3rd time I am expecting that market is getting stuck at the same level. So that is the reason I have tried to take a trade for 2 candles in the upward direction. Let's see if this trade will end up with the profit or loss. So far everything is going streamline, we are able to make some profits. Bitcoin, okay, let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin OTC, for 1 minute nothing. Let's have a look for 30 seconds. Okay, so this level got breached. We can expect for the market movement in the downward direction, so no trades. I'm not sure about the uptrend. Astro index up. Astro index up. Let's have a quick look for 1 minute. We recently got a confirmation for a down trade. Market is also trying to breach this level, but at the same time there is a possibility that market gets stuck here. So we can think about opening a trade, but once the market will be reaching to this one. Currently nothing so far, or 4-5. Let's execute our trade. Okay, so once the market will, or I think we should move it a bit up. Let's fix this one. Let's cancel this one and execute the trade at somewhere close to 5-5. Yes, this one looks much better. Okay, so once the market will hit this level, our trade will get executed for the up direction. Okay, and let me highlight this one also. GBP USD up. Let's have a look. Okay, so CHF JPY, that was up. GBP USD up for 30 seconds. Let's see. If this level will be breached, we can think about taking a trade for now. Again market got stuck here. Now I can expect market will move downward. There is a possibility market will move downward, or if this candle will breach this level, then market can continue. So let's drop this one. Let me take a few more comments. Let's move back to the comment section if anything is there. Okay, the answer where I have give me a my withdrawal not received. Ibrahim, just connect with the support team. Okay, so Harry Potter is asking, give me suggestion how can I grow $100 account to 1000 in 5 months, and what should be the money management plan, and how can I grow it? Okay, Harry, very nice question. First of everything, like this is something like which is very important. Majority of traders, they are lacking behind, but of course we will be talking about that one. So as you mentioned that you want to make 1000 from 100 in 5 months. Okay, let's bifurcate it in each month how much you are going to make. So you need to make hardly $200 in 1 month. Now we will be assuming that you will not be trading on weekends. So out of 30 days you will be trading only on 20 days. Now what exactly you are supposed to do? If 20 days you are going to trade, and in 1 month you need to make somewhere around $200. So for 1 day all you just need to make $10. That's it. So your take profit is going to be $10, your stop loss is going to be $7. I suggest you should increase it, or rather than making it in 5 months, you can try to make it in 2 months or 3 months. The reason why I am stating that, because when you are setting up your take profit, you will be setting up your stop loss according to that, and in case if your stop loss is too small, then you will be getting very less opportunities to work in the market. For an example, that like if you will be having your take profit as $10, your stop loss is going to be somewhere around $6 to $7. $7 means you can take maximum 7 trades, and if these 7 trades will go negative back to back because of any volatility or any impulsive trading, you will be out of the market. So minimum your take profit should be around $15 to $20, and your stop loss should be somewhere around $10 to $12, and then start working on that. Why we always keep the stop loss lesser than take profit? Because we will be focusing on making more money and losing less money. For an example, if your take profit is like $15 and your stop loss is $10, you have traded throughout the week. 3 days there was a profit and 4 days there was a loss. So 15 into 3 you will be making $45, and 10 into 4 you will be losing $40. So still at the end of the week you will be having $5 in your profit, plus your capital is still available. And this is the mindset which you should follow, so that you will be able to use your capital for long. The reason, like sometimes traders are stating, sir, we need to work on technical, graphical, fundamental, but I believe that you will be able to use them only in one condition: when you have capital in your trading account. And having capital in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you should make deposits again and again. That always means that whatever the deposit you have made, try to use it in such a way that you will be able to use it for as long as possible. Just a moment. Okay, so this is something which you can follow, and slowly and gradually, if first month you were not able to achieve your 100% target, that is completely fine. 50 to 60% still you are moving in the right direction, because next month you can accumulate, or you can calculate. Like for an example, first month your target was $200, you managed to book only 100. Now 900 is pending. So divide 900 by 4 months, and then divide by number of days, and then try to move in that direction. So you can adjust it accordingly. And by the end of 5th month, if you will be able to achieve at least 800 or 700, that is still a win-win situation, because in the next one you can increase your target and you can grow your capital accordingly. And when you have a specific stop loss, like for an example, if your stop loss is $15, do not think that let's take like 7 trades for $2, 1 for $1. No, start with $1. If things are going positive, you can increase it to 1.5 or 2. Otherwise, just stick to the same. Why don't you people make the deposit and withdrawal process fast? Whenever I came to see it live, someone deposit and withdrawal is stuck. See, sir, a lot of traders, they are making deposits and withdrawals, and at the same time finance department, like relevant department, they are always working on that to make it smooth. But in case if any of the transaction is getting stuck, then the relevant department is working on that to fix it. Okay, so that trade got also executed and we booked a profit. Very nice. Okay, so Harry, still if you have any doubt, just ask me. Tamil boy, please add your comment, add your signal in the sheet. Crypto composite 45 wins, sir. Very nice, Tushar. Okay, so Harry just keep spammed his comment. Traders, whenever you are mentioning anything, just stay calm. I will be coming here and then I will be explaining everything. Why not weekend days? Harry, that is completely fine. You can trade during weekend also. Like this is something which I am following, that I am trading only 5 days or sometimes 6 days. That's it. This is something like which I have mentioned, because if you will start taking trades on weekends also, then your take profit will be again a bit more smaller, and your stop loss is going to be smaller than that one, like hardly $4 to $5. But if you want to trade during that also, that is completely fine. It's not like that you will not be able to make profit or not. Okay, Arpit, we are taking all the trades in the upward direction. So if you are going to add any comments, any signals in the chats, in the Google form, make sure that should be for the upward direction. Okay, so let's have GBP USD again. Okay, so nothing so far. Let me try to take a few more comments. Okay, Europe Composite Index up. Europe Composite Index up. Okay, so far market can move downward. Now see traders, I am keep on talking about support resistance, support resistance. Now this is something very common which you can observe. Market stuck here, again trying, stuck here, now again trying to breach it. If market will succeed, we can consider that market can move in that direction, or again there can be a bounce back. So this is a quite common pattern which you can observe on any asset, and irrespective of the strategy, if that is based on Japanese, make sure you work on 4 another confirmation also. First one, always trade in trending markets. Second one, always consider the candle patterns. Third one, also consider the chart patterns. And the fourth and the most important one, which we are keep on repeating, that is support and resistance level. This is something which you have to focus on, because it's a very quite common pattern. Sometimes traders are stating that, sir, signal was there, everything was there, I have executed the trade on the right time, but why my trade was negative? And 90% or 80 to 90% I have found that the market was close to either support or resistance. So this is something which you can use to refine your signal. I know that will decrease the number of signal, but that will also help you to decrease the number of negative trade. So if a trader is there who is taking 100 trades and out of 160 trades are positive, his success rate is 60%. And at the same time, if there is a trader who is taking 20 trades and his 12 trades are positive, again 60% success rate. Now some traders will be stating, sir, both of them are in the same situation. No, the first trader, he made 40 negative trades also. Second one, he made only 8, so he need to recover only for 8. The second one, he need to work on the 40 trades. There is a possibility both of them will be having a same both of them will be in profit, but the profit ratio can be different also. And at the same time, you will be having a different psychology also. Okay, Bitcoin OTC, this is the last signal we are going to pick, in case if we will be able to make a profit. Good to see. Otherwise, all in all, the session was quite good. We managed to book a handsome profit. Okay, so Bitcoin 2 minute up, 1 minute we can think about, but for 2 minutes let me have a look again. Okay, so market breached this level, continue moving in the same, nearby no support resistance level. Okay, let's try this one. Let's take one trade on this. So this is the last trade, traders. So please, you can stop adding your signals. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for participating in that one. Sooner I will be explaining, or I will be announcing the winner. Okay, so let me take the last couple of comments. Sir, can you explain this strategy once again? Himanshu, for sure. So this is this Friday strategy. What exactly we are going to focus on? We will be working on 3 different EMAs, 5, 13 and 55. Whenever the lower frequency is going to intersect the higher one, in whichever direction lower is moving, that could be the direction of the market. Okay, so if 5 is intersecting 13, or 5 is intersecting 55, or 13 is intersecting 55, let me show you some example, like first signal, second signal, third signal, fourth signal, fifth signal. So back to back signals you will be getting. Just for the second confirmation, I have added the stochastic. So whenever the market will breach overbought zone or the oversold zone, I will not be taking any trade in the trend following direction. I will wait for the price correction. I will wait for the trend reversal. So when the market will come back from here, then I will be getting a confirmation that I can take a trade somewhere on this intersection or somewhere in between. That's it. Suggested time frame is 1 minute, trade time frame is 2 to 3 candle. Like minimum suggested time frame is 1 minute. You can use it for longer also, that is completely fine. Okay, so किस पे trade कर रहे हैं? Arpit, I am just keep on shuffling cards, like wherever I am getting any signals, or I am getting signals from the traders, those who are participating in this bear and bull mode. I am just taking trades on that. Weekend market is volatile, sir. There is nothing like specific like that. I have seen so many traders, they are making profit on weekend also. I am quite lazy and I am a family person, so I am used to spend my time with them. So that is the reason that sometime I'm not trading on weekend, but I am also trading sometime. But in a nutshell, overall I consider myself a weekday trader only. That is the reason. Okay, so okay, thank you so much. I think I have covered. Sir, Asia Composite, Himanshu, I would love to take a trade on Asia Composite in down, but today we have concluded that we will be taking all trades in the upward direction, so I will not be able to do that. Okay, Bitcoin trade, that was a negative. No worries, no worries. Overall, everything was streamlined. We managed to book like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there was one more profit, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 loss. So overall, like, we are still doing fine. And let's come to the point from where for which everyone was waiting for. So let's announce the winner. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, so okay, so traders, let me show you the trader IDs from which I have picked the majority of the signals. Okay, so these are the, okay, sorry, okay, yeah, sorry, this one, by mistake you got the previous one. So these are the majority trader IDs from which I have picked the majority of signals. Now I will run a quick query in my system, and system will pick one winner out of it, and it will be written as win. So 3, 2, 1, go for it. Okay, so this is a winning ID, the trader ID who will be getting a $5 RFT. So trader ID is 47991704. I mean, again I am repeating, that is also visible on the screen. It's 47991704. Many congratulations to the winner, and I will make sure that you will be getting your RFTs as soon as possible. And if you're still available in this session, please confirm me your name in the comment section, so I can give your name a shout out, and also I can congratulate. Okay, and one last thing, traders, whatever you have learned today, make sure you will practice it on your demo account. Try to grab a hold on that, and once you will be able to grab a hold, then take it to your live account. And again, I am repeating myself, it's just a technical tools like which we were using, so there are no such technicals which will be promising 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, do not invest a huge capital. Very nice, Tushar. I am happy to see that you made some profits. Glad to see. Keep growing, keep earning, keep learning, and traders, stay safe, stay healthy. Make sure subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to connect, and we will try to help you with the different technicals. Feel free to share the link of this channel with your dear ones, your relatives, your friends, so that we will be able to connect with as many as people we can, and we can help them in their trading concern. Okay, so thank you so much again. Thank you so much everyone for participating in the session, and congratulations again to the winner. I'll make sure he will be getting his he or she will be getting his risk-free trade sooner. And stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, keep earning. This was your host, your buddy, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much. Take care.